If you've looked into keyword research at all before, I'm sure that you've heard about the Google Keyword Planner. It was actually created for AdWords advertisers, but it is still a great SEO tool in general. It's definitely not the most user-friendly tool available, but on the flip side, it is free and it can give you great information. I like to use the Google Keyword Planner for a couple of things, and we're going to look at those. But to start off with, we're going to take a look at how to use the Keyword Planner to generate some more keyword ideas that you may not have thought of. If you don't already have an AdWords account, it is free, and you can go ahead and sign up. Just enter your basic information, and you'll automatically have an account. So after logging in, you can use the URL here on your screen, or you can go up to Tools and you can pull down to the Keyword Planner. Now you're going to see here that Google gives you a number of options. To find new keywords, we are going to take a look at the first option, which is search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category. Here you're going to see we're going to be presented with a number of options that we can fill out and settings that we can customize. So there's a couple of things that you can do here. The first thing you want to do is enter a general keyword in this box here that you think you may want to target. Now, don't enter any head keywords like it suggests here, like flowers or cars. That is way too general. It's not going to get you enough of what you're looking for. On the other hand, you don't need to jump all the way to the extreme and enter all your long tail keywords that you may have already. That's going to be a bit too long. So we want to try to find something in the middle. So some of the body keywords, for example. And you can enter them there, and the Keyword Planner is going to help generate a longer list of those long tail keywords that you may be able to target. So start off by just entering the keyword. You can go down below to the targeting box and you can enter the country that you will be targeting and the language that you will be targeting. So if your website is not in English, this is where you would want to customize that setting. If you are not targeting the US, you are targeting India or you are targeting France. Wherever you believe your audience is going to be, go ahead and set that country. If you believe it's in multiple places, you can do that too. Everything else I like to just leave as is for now. We'll look at a couple of those other settings in a little bit. And then you can click Get Ideas. So just to give an example, I'm going to enter cat toys. And now I see a lot of information. I'm not going to pay too much attention to it right at the moment. But there's a couple of tabs here you'll notice. There's ad group ideas and keyword ideas. So I bet you're probably thinking, well, we need to look at keyword ideas. And you're right, we are going to go into the keyword ideas tab. And you can go through and you can look at some of the options that it gives you. And you can add any of these that pop out onto your list. But you'll notice these aren't too long. I only entered 2 words as my keyword here. So I can add 3 or 4 words and I can come back and see what else it pulls up that are longer tail keywords as well. But I do want to look at the Ad Group Ideas tab as well, because you'll notice that these have little links here and I can actually click in and this is going to give me even more related keywords. So for instance, cat toys. They have Beth's toys, the interactive cat toys that I looked at. So if I'm thinking, oh yes, I have interactive cat toys on my website, I can click through to that category and it's going to give me some longer tail keywords that I may be able to target as well. So make sure you look at both tabs and generate some ideas from there.